Australia is known for its quirky creatures and vibrant culture. No wonder it has become a treasure trove of peculiar finds and surprising creatures, some dating back hundreds of thousands of years. Below I will present a list of the most unusual things recently discovered on this continent. Number 1. Walking around Australia, you would hardly want to encounter a creature so enormous that it would make kangaroos look harmless in comparison. Throughout most of the Pleistocene period, which spanned from 1.6 million to 40,000 years ago, one could encounter a terrifying and enormous creature in Australia known as the diprotodon. This quadruped had a short body, tail, and thick limbs that resembled trunks. The ancient marsupial was 2 meters tall and weighed more than 2.5 tons. Although it's hard to believe that a marsupial could weigh more than the average car, previous findings suggest that Australia was once inhabited by strange and unique animals, including diprotodons. This ancient marsupial, 200 times larger than its modern relatives such as wombats and koalas, could have caused ecological problems due to its large appetite for leaves and shrubs. Although they were thought to be harmless and lived in groups near water, avoiding hills due to their limited mobility, the species is now extinct, leaving only bones behind. Whether they hunted or preyed on humans remains a mystery. It is hoped that scientists will be able to answer these questions in the future. Number 2. In the remote areas of Western Australia, in the middle of arid lands, lies the site of the oldest meteorite impact, Yarrabubba crater. Geological studies have established that this formation emerged just over 2 billion years ago, possibly ending a global glacial period. Currently, it is the oldest discovery on Earth. To obtain more precise results on the age of Yarrabubba crater, scientists used regional mineral samples, especially monazite containing uranium with a known decay rate. Despite sounding simple, the process involved advanced scans with modern equipment. The crater, which used to be 70 kilometers in diameter, is now gradually shrinking, currently being a small red hill called Poron Hill. Although it may disappear over time, the value of the discovery persists, since the meteorite impact caused significant climate changes that influenced the subsequent development of the Earth and its life. Without this event, the Earth could have remained in a frozen state without experiencing global warming. Number 3. In 2020, a team of paleontologists from Monash University in Melbourne carried out excavations that led to the discovery of some of the oldest fossils found in Australia. A surprising and somewhat unseemly find shocked scientists when they discovered a piece of amber with a rare composition. The most amazing thing was that the stone preserved mating flies, estimated to be about 40 million years old. Amber is a remarkable material capable of preserving organisms trapped inside. In Australia, amber is considered extremely rare, so the excavation results were surprising not only with the flies discovered, but also with thousands of pieces of amber hidden underground. In addition to flies, other well-preserved organisms were found in the amber, which will allow a better understanding of Australia's ecosystem and the study of the insects that lived there 40 million years ago. Number 4. This spider could be the main source of fear for any arachnophobe, since its size is astonishing. A hand-sized fossil was discovered not long ago, but it could diversify the evolution of spiders in Australia, showing how the continent has changed over time. The giant trapdoor spider is especially significant as it is only the fourth fossilized arachnid discovered on the Australian continent. This is the first fossil of a trapdoor spider from the Barracuda family found by world experts. The new species has been officially named Megamandicosi, in honor of Dr. Simonkovsky, who discovered this specimen which is between 11 and 16 million years old. The second largest trapdoor spider fossil on Earth was discovered. This creature is 5 times larger than similar species today. Although its body has a diameter of about 2.5 centimeters and legs of approximately 5 centimeters, these dimensions are notable for a spider. The find offers insight into the past of these spiders 15 million years ago, when Australia's dense rainforests were transformed into deserts due to Miocene droughts, and the monodon and mega-monodon spiders disappeared. Its smaller relatives survive today in Indonesia, Singapore, and Papua New Guinea. Number 5. In the remote areas of Australia, an inexplicable spectacle has baffled and even frightened observers who have seen mysterious glowing spheres suddenly appearing at night, literally floating in the air, simultaneously captivating and generating apprehension. In Queensland, the Bulli Sur Council advises visitors that they are in the land of the Min Min lights and could see them when traveling on the road at night. These lights are truly captivating as they can move quickly and change color as they move closer to the viewer or further away before disappearing without a trace. Scientists have proposed various theories to explain the Min Min lights, a mystery in Australia. Some suggest it could be a natural phenomenon, like a light refraction mirage. Others think the glowing spheres could form between layers of air with different temperatures. More unusual explanations are also mentioned, such as luminescent insects or phosphorescent gases. However, they are all just hypotheses, as science has not yet provided a definitive answer. The Min Min lights have become a source of Aboriginal legends and stories, treating them with respect as spirits of elders who care for the country and its prosperity. Number 6. The thorny dragon, also known as the Omal demon, is a small lizard belonging to the Agamidae family that lives in the sandy deserts of Western Australia. This lizard, covered in spines, survives in difficult conditions, constantly searching for food and water. It collects rainwater and dew, bringing it directly to your mouth from your skin. Its unique appearance, harmless nature and slowness make it charming and unusual, arousing admiration and curiosity. The spines on its head have bones, and its golden brown coloration helps in camouflage. Their neck, with a pillow-like growth, facilitates the collection and transportation of water. The thorny dragon is specialized in hunting ants and poses no threat to humans. Number 7. Lizard is one of the first words that comes to mind when thinking of Australia. Locals find them almost every day, but not everyone manages to make a unique discovery. A strange species of amphibian, similar to a lizard, was discovered last year. Experts believe the identified creature inhabited Australia approximately 247 million years ago. In 1997, retired farmer Marcos found the fossilized remains of an amphibian while repairing a garden wall in New South Wales. After discovering the fossil, he contacted the Australian Museum in Sydney and transferred the find. Experts, led by paleontologist Lonkin Hardy, studied the remains for more than 25 years to discover the truth behind the fossil. Fortunately, another well-preserved skeleton was found, allowing researchers to solve the mystery. Hardy and other paleontologists suggest that the amphibian was about 1.5 m long and resembled the Chinese giant salamander in head structure. This creature, called supat, was significantly larger than its modern descendants, as indicated by its ribs and soft tissues. This predatory amphibian is believed to have lived in freshwater lakes and streams in Sydney and belongs to the Tinospondii family, known for surviving mass extinction events on Earth. This discovery is a valuable addition to Australia's paleontological chronicle, as only 3 fossils of the hardy amphibian family had been identified in the region previously. Number 8. Hidden along the banks of rivers in eastern Australia, the platypus amazes with its unique appearance. Europeans who encountered this aquatic mammal for the first time could not believe its reality and considered it an illusion. The platypus is unique in that it combines characteristics of several animals, defying conventional classifications. However, it delights everyone, from wildlife enthusiasts and photographers to scientists who study living organisms on our planet. The platypus is a creature unique to Australia that reproduces quickly and lays several eggs, the embryo maturing in approximately 10 days. Its most distinctive feature is its duck-like beak, sensitive to touch and equipped with receptors to detect electrical signals from prey while feeding in the water. Unlike other mammals, they do not have a stomach and use spiked jaws to chew food, which is then passed through stomach-like structures for efficient digestion. In addition, they are poisonous mammals with dewclaws on their hind legs. Although its venom is not fatal to humans, it can cause swelling and pain. It is advisable to avoid petting or holding a platypus if you are in the wild. Number 9. In the Jolly River that flows through southeast Queensland resides an amazing species of short-necked turtle. This freshwater reptile is known for its unique physical characteristics and behavior, making it one of the most unusual reptiles in the world. The turtle not only has intelligent eyes, but also a peculiar green crest on its head, which visually might look like hair, but is actually algae that grows on the turtle's head due to its prolonged stay in the water. This turtle has surprising features, such as a tail that can be 2/3 the length of the shell in males. Its algae-covered head and shell provide excellent camouflage to hide from predators. In addition to its appearance, it has a unique respiratory system that allows it to breathe through special glands in the extended part of the hind intestine, known as the cloaca. The Mary River turtle diverged from other species more than 40 million years ago. Although it has unique capabilities, it faces constant risks of extinction due to water pollution, the illegal pet trade, and habitat degradation. Scientists emphasize the importance of preserving and protecting this turtle to prolong the existence of this ancient species and maintain balance in the river ecosystem. Number 10. The thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger or Tasmanian wolf, is an extinct carnivorous marsupial eradicated by humans in the 1930s. This creature with an unusual striped back and canid-like appearance roamed on land, being a predatory marsupial most closely related to kangaroos and koalas. The last official record of the animal living in captivity dates back to 1936. Before the arrival of humans, the thylacine lived throughout Australia, as well as on the islands of Mania and New Guinea. It was the largest known carnivorous marsupial. Although it is officially considered extinct, there are reports in Australia suggesting it may still exist, with claims of sightings. This has led to numerous scientific expeditions and investigations, especially in Tasmania, to confirm or refute the persistence of the thylacine.